If you're experiencing login errors on Snowflake, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check your credentials. Ensure that you are entering the correct username and password. Double check for any typos or case sensitivity issues. Step 2. Verify account status. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Review network connection. Make sure your internet connection is stable. Try accessing Snowflake from a different network or device to rule out connectivity issues. Step 4. Clear browser cache. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, as outdated data can sometimes cause login problems. After clearing, restart your browser and try logging in again. Step 5. Update browser or use incognito mode. Ensure your browser is up to date. If issues persist, try using incognito or private browsing mode to eliminate any extensions or settings that may interfere with the login process. If you follow these steps and still encounter issues, consider reaching out to Snowflake support for further assistance.